If you've ever tried kneading bread dough by hand and felt your arms give out halfway through, or watched cookie batter splatter across your counter, no matter how careful you are, you're going to understand exactly why this kind of mixer matters. Because at some point, baking stops being fun and starts feeling like a workout you didn't sign up for. And that's usually when people start looking for a stand mixer that actually makes life easier instead of adding more clutter. Today, we're taking a close, honest look at the Hamilton Beach electric stand mixer, a budget-friendly 4-quart option designed for home bakers who want convenience without jumping into the high-end price range. If you bake cookies on weekends, make the occasional homemade bread, or just want something to handle mixing without constant supervision, this one is aimed right at you. You can find a direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the mixer keeps things simple in a way that actually feels intentional. The design is compact, clean, and very kitchen-friendly, especially if you don't have a lot of counter space. The 4-quart stainless steel bowl feels solid enough for everyday use. And the built-in top handle is one of those small details you don't think much about until you realize how much easier it makes lifting and moving the head. The attachments, including the dough hook, flat beater, and whisk, all feel lightweight but functional, and the fact that they're dishwasher safe makes cleanup a lot less annoying than hand washing sticky dough off metal tools. It doesn't feel like a luxury appliance, but it also doesn't feel flimsy. It sits right in that practical and dependable zone. Where this mixer really starts to show its value is in everyday use. The 300-watt motor isn't trying to compete with professional bakery machines, but for typical home recipes, it holds up better than you might expect. Cookie dough, pancake batter, cake mixes, and even moderate bread dough all mix consistently without you having to babysit the bowl. The planetary mixing action helps everything get evenly incorporated, which means fewer stops to scrape down the sides. The 7-speed control is straightforward, and the slow first speed is genuinely useful when you're adding flour or starting a dough without creating a cloud in your kitchen. Noise-wise, it's not silent, but it's not disruptive either. You can still have a conversation while it's running, which already puts it ahead of some louder budget mixers. Now, being honest, this isn't a machine without limits. It handles standard home baking really well, but if you're regularly working with very heavy doughs or large batches, you'll notice it working harder. The bowl size is fine for family use, but not ideal for bulk baking. On the positive side, it's incredibly easy to maintain. Everything detaches quickly, the bowl is simple to clean, and storage is surprisingly convenient thanks to that top handle design. It's the kind of appliance you're not afraid to actually use often because it doesn't create extra hassle afterward. Compared to other stand mixers in the same price range, this Hamilton Beach model sits in a very practical middle ground. It doesn't try to compete with premium brands in terms of power or heavy-duty performance, but it also avoids the common issue of ultra-budget mixers feeling unstable or underpowered. Some competitors might offer slightly larger bowls or more metal-heavy construction, but they often come with a higher price tag that doesn't always translate to better everyday baking results. This one wins on balance. It gives you the core stand mixer experience without pushing you into unnecessary expense. At the end of the day, this is a solid choice for beginner to intermediate home bakers who want consistency, convenience, and fewer kitchen frustrations. It won't replace professional-grade equipment, but it was never meant to. It's built for real kitchens, real recipes, and real people who just want baking to feel a little more enjoyable and a little less like effort. If that sounds like what you've been missing, this one is worth a closer look. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen gear breakdowns, and check the link in the description if you want to see current pricing or details. It might just be the upgrade that makes your baking routine a lot smoother without overcomplicating your kitchen setup.